Hello everyone, in this video we will be looking at how to accept donations on WordPress website for free. For this, we are obviously going to be using a WordPress plugin, and it is going to be really easy and simple. You will want to make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you can get the full list of important features we are going to work with. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now you can obviously create a nonprofit donation page or an NGO. What you can do is, in that case, is to create different donation forms for your organization. This allows people to access those forms and send their donations to you. It is really simple, easy to work with, and actually fun to use because when you go to the plugin section to add all of this, you will see all the other plugins as well. For example, let us go into the plugins section. The plugin we will use is called GiveWP. And once you click on GiveWP, you will see it is a donation plugin and fundraising platform. It is incredible that they have created this for us. The description says it is a donation plugin and fundraising platform allowing you to accept donations and begin fundraising with GiveWP, the highest rated WordPress donation plugin for online giving. GiveWP is the highest rated, most downloaded, and best supported donation plugin for WordPress. Whether you need a simple donate button or a powerful donation platform optimized for online giving, GiveWP has you covered. You can transform your site and add various donation forms. It also has powerful donation forms where you can create custom donation forms easily. The fun part about creating a good donation form is that the more attractive it is, the more likely users will be to engage with it. If a user doesn't like the design or feel of a page, he won't be attracted to it. So, you'll want to ensure your page looks great, and the custom donation forms you create are designed as well as possible. Moving on, you can customize templates without using any code, which is pretty incredible and makes the process even more accessible, especially for beginners or those who want to get things done quickly. If you choose not to use code, there are plenty of pre-designed templates available that you can easily select and modify to fit your needs. These templates are designed to be user-friendly, so you can customize everything from colors and fonts to layout and images without touching a single line of code. The beauty of this is that it allows you to create a professional-looking donation page without any technical know-how, which makes the whole experience much more streamlined and less stressful. However, if you're comfortable with code and have some experience with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, I would definitely recommend taking advantage of it. Customizing with code opens up even more possibilities, as it gives you full control over the design and functionality of your donation forms. You can create more advanced, tailored features, optimize user interactions, and ensure that the donation process matches your exact vision. Additionally, using code can help your page load faster and perform better, as you can remove unnecessary code or streamline certain elements for better efficiency. So if you have coding skills, it can be a really fun and rewarding way to make your donation forms stand out even more. Ultimately, whether you choose to use code or not, there is a solution that fits every level of expertise, making the entire process customizable to your preferences. There are also actionable fundraising reports that provide a detailed breakdown of your donation activity. You can control your fundraising data with exports and reports, filter by date, form, and payment method, and measure performance across multiple campaigns. You can also manage donors by viewing a complete history of their activity, generating tax-deductible receipts, and allowing donors to view their donation history. There is much more to explore. It is simple, painless giving, and of course, the donations go to a charity or organization that makes a real impact. One of the key features of GiveWP is its transparency and security, ensuring that donors feel confident their money is going to the right place. When you're setting up your donation platform, you will need to verify your organization. This verification process is crucial because it ensures that you are a legitimate nonprofit or charity, which builds trust with your supporters. It also helps to safeguard the donation process and protects donors from potential fraud. Unfortunately, there are some dishonest individuals or organizations who misuse donation platforms by taking donations for themselves rather than directing them to the intended causes. This is a serious issue, and it is one of the reasons why verification is so important. Not only does it protect donors, but it also helps to maintain the integrity of the entire fundraising ecosystem. Scams like this can cause doubts in the market, making people hesitant to donate and damaging the credibility of legitimate organizations. To prevent such issues, GiveWP has a built-in verification process that ensures only trusted nonprofits and NGOs can use their platform. By going through this process, you are demonstrating that you are a responsible and transparent organization. Verification may require providing proof of your nonprofit status, including documentation like tax exemption certificates or registering your organization with relevant authorities. Once verified, your organization will have the trust and legitimacy it needs to encourage more donations. This step is essential for building a strong, trustworthy relationship with your donors and ensuring that their contributions are used in the way they intend. In the next part of this guide, we will walk you through the steps to complete the verification process for your NGO or nonprofit organization. This is a crucial step that ensures your donations are secure and that your organization is recognized as legitimate. We will cover the required documentation, such as proof of nonprofit status and any government certifications you may need. Once verified, you'll be able to accept donations with confidence and enjoy the benefits of a trusted, credible platform. Let us get started with the verification process so you can begin fundraising securely. GiveWP accepts credit card donations and more. You can accept donations via Stripe, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and other payment methods. It also allows donors to pay via WMO with your account balance or connected bank account, and even offline donations like checks or physical donations. Additionally, it supports multiple payment gateways. You have various options for wire transfers and more. Moreover, GiveWP integrates with various tools. For example, you can add donation widgets for Elementor so you can insert donation forms directly on your page. There are different form blocks and donation modules you can add. All you need to do is click on Upgrade and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is added, you can start creating pages. To create a page, simply click on Add New Page. Once you click on Add New Page, you'll be asked to add a title and content. I will go ahead and choose a blank page. For the title, let us say we will call it Donate Here. On this page, people can donate to your cause, and you can add donation templates from GiveWP. You can add them directly under the big box widget, making it easy for people to donate. Trust me, when it comes to adding donation widgets, GiveWP is truly the best options out there. This ease of use, the range of customization options, and the powerful features it offers make it the standout choice for anyone looking to collect donations on their website. I highly recommend using it if you are serious about raising funds for your cause. So that is how you can accept donations on your WordPress website using GiveWP. It is a powerful and user-friendly plugin that makes it easy to set up custom donation forms, offer various payment options, and track donations. With its flexibility and reporting tools, you can manage your fundraising efforts efficiently while focusing on your cause. GiveWP is the perfect solution for securely accepting donations on your site. And that is all there is on how to accept donations on WordPress website for free. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.